I see really four key factors that are driving transformation. The first is a policy, and that's at all levels, at the starting local, national, and provincial levels, and you're seeing different items come into play there. Customer expectations, they're changing. Expectations based on experiences from other industries, technology advancements. You're seeing new offerings, new technologies come to market at a better cost. The cost curves are improving. And the integration of these is creating new service offerings and new competitors. So there's competitors coming into the marketplace offering new products and services that customers are enjoying around energy as well. The big change in Alberta at the moment is really around fuel transition and retirement of coal and sustainability issues. So you're seeing a lot of policy in those areas, and that's the industry is kind of grappling with that right now as to what that means for them. This is creating a requirement for new supply. People are then, utilities are rethinking then whether or not this should be at scale, whether or not there's opportunities to bring in more distributed generation, what does that fuel mix look like, and then how does that impact the transmission system as well, or are there opportunities to bring in power from other regions. So I think those are some of the issues that are really affecting the thought process of why transmission and generation are high on the agenda item at the moment. In Alberta, I think we're seeing immediate impact of policy. I think really the question is going to be what's the implementation timelines and how long does it take to understand the full impact of the intention of the policy and how it filters through the marketplace. So we're definitely seeing impacts now in Alberta, especially with the phase out of the coal and introduction of intent to introduce more renewables within the next year to 2 years. So it's going to be both short and long term. To maximize the opportunities from energy transformation, a utility is going to need to rethink its business and operating model and be open to incorporating new ideas, new service offerings, moving towards more customer centricity and thinking about the customer as the core of as a key core part of their operations. Not to ignore the assets. The assets will always be very important, and but it's bringing in more of a balance of customer centricity and really forward-thinking views on what the customer is going to need and solving future problems for customers, not just doing things the way we've always done them.